How to tag people in iPhone photos. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, go to the bottom and tap on the icon in the middle. Here, tap on the icon as shown. Select Edit Name and Photos. And then, tap on Name this person. You can now type in and tag the person you want to over here. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Repeat this step to tag as many people as you want. Following these steps, you can easily tag people in iPhone photos.